Anyone else notice GoPro takes a while to turn on? Maybe it's just mine. But today is gonna be cool. I am finally taking this guy to the alignment shop. So I just put on a new steering rack and I need to get it aligned. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. Gotta move a few things around, but hold on one second. All right. Let's make sure everything looks good. I don't know if I've shown you. No. Oh. You gotta plug that in. By the way, I love these Euro headlights. Let's check the tail lights too. Oh yeah. Dude. I'm so stoked for this. She's going out in the real world. I mean, look, I know it needs a lot of work still, but I'm still stoked on this thing. All right, let me get a few things situated here, and I'll catch you in the car. Woo! Yo, we're doing it, boys. Well, these are definitely different colors. Now that it's in the light, you can definitely see it's faded. No big deal though. Man, it's so awesome to not have to be worried about rubbing on anything. Yeah, buddy. You better be recording this time. Last time I drove this, oh man, the steering wheel and the steering rack. Ooh. Okay. It is definitely needs an alignment. Yeah. The steering is jacked. It's alright. Also too, I put this steering wheel on before. It was straight when I drove it with the old steering rack. I'm sure it just, yeah, we may have to adjust the steering wheel a bit, eh? Look out, boys! We're on the road. There are some weird noises, boys. I can't wipe the smile off my face. This is too cool. And the funniest part about this is I really haven't done too much to the car. Like, relatively speaking, it's still pretty factory. I mean, I've done a lot of stuff aesthetically. You know, yeah, I've done a lot of stuff aesthetically. But in terms of mechanically, I really haven't done too much. This steering rack is really the first thing I've done. I feel like I just heard a burnout. Ooh. Man, I need to get in touch with someone who knows. Well, I got to reach out to Brett over at M Sport Parts. That guy's just a wizard with E36. It might be all cars for all I know. I really don't know, but he just has an answer for everything relating to E36s. The throw in this shifter, I'm pretty sure it's factory, but the throw in it is just a mile long, and I'm okay with that. I don't need like super short, but man, it's long. The feel itself is what I'm looking for. The feel itself is awesome. It's super tight. It feels great. Just the fact that it definitely wanders a bit. I mean, the wheels could be like that for all I know. I could be pigeon-toed right now. I want to see what this thing looks like as it drives. You know when you see your car driving like outside of your car? Because you never really get to see it. Someone else driving it. Man, this. Oh, the first overtake. Oh, get some, Dodge Ram. Get some. That was really scary with the steering. I should not be in the left lane. The steering wheel's so sick though. Only tool I brought was a 17mm for the lug nuts. That's the only tool. And the place I'm going is literally the closest alignment shop I could find. There's one that There's one that I wanted to go to that's roughly 30 minutes away. I don't think I could physically stomach driving this 30 minutes away though. I mean, it's sketchy for sure. And I matched up the tie rod in lengths as much as I could. Whoa. All right, boys. We're back. And we're aligned. Let me get this. So I just got it back. It was definitely jacked, obviously. And, oh, did I get them? Well, it doesn't matter. I'm going to be going back after I do the suspension anyway. So, let's get on the road. I am jacked to drive this thing. Let's see how she, oh man. I just love this ZHP rack. Literally, it feels so much better. It's unbelievable. And I need gas. Woo! Oh yeah. This thing is sick. Yeah, it's a million times better. Steering wheel is still a little off, but you got to remember I put this steering wheel on, so I'd probably take it off, straighten it out, but I mean, it for the most part, let's see. Yeah, it tracks perfect. So I'll just need to take this steering wheel off and literally put it back on straight. Not a big deal at all. Should I do it right now? Woo! This thing's awesome. Oh man, I'm so stoked with this. I'm gonna drive this thing everywhere now. I mean, dude, I'm so stoked. Oh yeah, baby. Dude, the steering is so much better, guys. I would definitely recommend this steering rack if you have, well, yeah, just that's big. I think I need to fix this issue because I keep going from second to fifth because I can't feel where I'm going. That might be one of the first things I replace is the bushings in this shifter because it is just numb. Oh my gosh, it drives so much better. This is insane, the difference. It is so much more responsive from when the first time I drove it to now. And basically all I've done is the steering rack and that coupler joint, or Jubo, G-U-I-B-O. Again, that was thanks to Brett over at M Sport Parts. Actually, and he's the one, I can't even take credit, he's the one who told me about the ZHP rack. I asked him which one is best, and you know, the Z3 is another one that people put in this car. But from what I've read and what he told me, the Z3 rack, it's a lot twitchier. This is not twitchy whatsoever, but it's very responsive, and it's got a nice weight to it. It's not too easy. You get a ton of feedback, but the steering has it's a great weight to the steering. Dude, this thing's gonna be an absolute monster with an S54 in it. I I gotta look up how much power this has with the S50. Because the S54 has around 333 horsepower. I'm not sure if I'm going to do flex fuel on that. That's another good upgrade you can do to those. And if man, I don't know, because this thing will be an absolute monster if I do that. I don't like how this A-arm and that, or A-pillar and that A-pillar, that one's new. Hey, no, last thing I want to do is get in a wreck, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna go this way. This A-pillar's original, that A-pillar is not, and that A-pillar looks awesome. This one looks blue. I think it's supposed to be black. I hope it's supposed to be black. So that's black, the one I got over there. Man, this is so sick. I'm so stoked with this. It's just crazy how cars of this era, how much smaller they are. Just everything in here is smaller. The dash is smaller, just everything. Checking out my M3, brah. Let's see how she does with some fresh fuel. Woo! I can already feel the difference, boys. Oh wait, let me. Oh, big moves made today. Now this thing is fully drivable. Time to go have some fun with this thing. I think I need a battery tie down. I mean, it's not bad. It's not fast by any means, but I mean, it's not awful. This S50 motor is not bad though. I can see why guys don't mind it. I mean, it's going to be a completely different animal with an S54 in it. I can only imagine. If that, I gotta look up the horsepower on this, because if it really is an extra like 100 horsepower between the S50 and the S54, that will be an absolute monster. This suspension is soft. Nice cheap. Well, boys, big things accomplished today in the E36 world for me. This guy is one step closer to making my M3 great again. So if you're new to the channel, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, smash the subscribe button. It would mean a lot, and there's going to be a lot more of this content coming and a lot more projects to be done with this thing. So cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next episode.